take 3 long, slow, deep breaths in and out, long and slow, and close your eyes. And to help yourself to become more relaxed, more calm, and more peaceful, just think of your breathing. Notice the parts of your body that move with your breath. Your chest, your stomach, and the rhythm of your breath, and the flow of the air in and out of your mouth or nose. And you are more relaxed, more calm, more peaceful. And notice any sounds you can hear. Listen for the furthest away sound you can hear, and a sound closer, and the sound of your breathing. And you are more relaxed, more calm, more peaceful. And notice where your feet are placed, and the position of your head. And you are more relaxed, more calm, and more peaceful.
And as you are more relaxed, more calm, and more peaceful, I invite you to revisit your wonderful day. Take a deep breath of fresh air, and making your body feel calm and relaxed. Take a moment to think about something special you did today. Maybe creating something, being friendly to other people, learning something new, or sharing. You are proud and happy in your achievement. You give yourself a smile. You are clever and creative. Say it softly to yourself. Believe it. Take another breath of fresh air and hear the people talking, laughing, having fun learning. You feel good inside when you share with others. Take a moment to think about how you shared today. You are amazing. Thank you for caring. Take one more deep breath of fresh air, and as you let it go, you see a star twinkling just like you.
And to finish up, think of your breathing again, and notice how you are breathing now, the rhythm and the pace, and take 3 or 4 deep breaths, energizing yourself with each breath, and become more alert and more aware with each deep breath. And soon you can gently and slowly open your eyes, refreshed with a great feeling of calm, relaxation, and peace, which stays with you through the rest of the day.